Good day. So let's look at the question today under educational statistics. So let's read what the question says and let's see how we can find solution to the question. The question says the frequency distribution for the number of minutes. Please take note of the time. Time is measured in minutes per week spent study statistical method by 330 now postgraduate students as contained in the table below. So time study, take note, is in minutes, number of students who study at this period of time. For 30 to 39 minutes, we have 140 students who study at that period. 40 to 49 minutes down to 90 to 99 minutes. So this time spent in statistics, we refer to them as class interval. That's what they are called, class interval. Now let's see what the question says. So using the table, find the following. 1, the class size of the distribution. 2, the upper class limit of the 5th class. 3, the lower class limit of the 2nd class. 4, the class size of the 3rd class. The class mark of the 3rd class. 5, the lower class boundary of the 4th class. 6, the upper class boundary of the 7th class. Then 7, the relative frequency of the 1st class to 3 dp, decimal place. 8, the percentage of students who study statistical method for at least 59 minutes. 9, percentage of students who study for at least 1 hour, and 10% of students for less than half an hour. So let's see how we can put an answer to these questions. Question 1 says we should find the class size of the distribution. So let's first of all understand what is a class size. A class size is the difference between 2 consecutive class intervals. Is the difference between 2 consecutive class intervals. This class interval and the class interval, they are consecutive. Why? They follow each other. So you cannot determine your class size with 30 to 39 and 50 to 59. Because 30 to 39 and 50 to 59, they are not consecutive. It's only 40 to 49 and 50 to 59 that is consecutive. The same is true for 50 to 59 and 60 to 69. I continue like that to the last class interval. So the class size is the difference between 2 class interval. While doing it, you can use the lower class versus lower class or upper class versus upper class. But you cannot use lower class versus upper class. So the difference between 2 classes, whether lower or upper, is what we call class size. So let's see. Now I will put an answer to that. So Roman figure 1, my class size is simply 40 minus 30, or I'm using the lower class interval now, 40 minus 30, or I may choose to use the upper class, 49 minus 39, or 49 minus 39. So the result is simply 10. So this is how you calculate your class size or class interval.